Any questions? Any questions?
Yes. Going to finish that croissant? Are you going to finish that croissant?
Can you eat pussy like that?
Knock yourself out.